let's now start a new topic called trigonometry. Trigonometry is a very fundamental and a very important topic. Okay, it is used in almost every science. Okay, let me give you a few examples. It is used to describe oscillations. So if you have a pendulum and the pendulum is swinging, that complete motion can be precisely captured using physics, of course, and a little bit of trigonometry. Now, oscillations form the basis of waves, right? When there are oscillations can cause waves. Waves again are completely described using trigonometry and, of course, a little physics. All right. In waves, the sound engineering has a lot of trigonometry involved in it. Light, an electromagnetic wave, is again described using a lot of trigonometry. If you have structural engineers, they will use trigonometry to analyze the strength of different types of structures. A bridge would be very difficult to construct without trigonometry. Forget construction, it would be very difficult to even design without basic trigonometry, right? Then another very simple use, which of course you will be studying in another chapter called heights and distances or application of trigonometry, is estimating distances. Trigonometry can be used to estimate very small distances, say just between two sides of a triangle or between 2 points in a triangle. Okay, it can also be used to estimate reasonable amount of distances. For example, say the height of a cloud, the height of a kite, right? The distance from a point to a building. It can also be used to estimate the distance between, say, Earth and another star. Okay, so your ability to estimate things really takes a huge leap once you know trigonometry. All right. Now, trigonometry is a word which is made up of three parts: trigonometry. Now, tri is basically three, gono is an angle, and metry is measurement. So, in its essence, trigonometry is the study of triangles. Okay, so trigonometry is the study of different types of triangles. Now, I imagine that once people started getting enough time to start studying different kinds of shapes, etc., they started looking at a very basic shape, the triangle. Okay, so now you have studied triangles earlier, and there are some very simple properties of the triangle which you already know. So, for example, the sum of all the angles in a triangle are 180 degrees. Right. Now, gradually people wanted to get more mastery over their knowledge of triangles. What happens if I know one side and two angles? Can I find the other sides and the other angle? The angle obviously you can find even at this stage, but can we find the length of the other sides? Using trigonometry you can do that. Alright, now to study trigonometry, the best part is the basics are just a handful and the application is really vast. That makes trigonometry one of the easiest topics also. It's a very, very easy topic, and anybody who tells you it is not has basically not made the effort to even try to do it decently. It's so easy and extremely basic. Alright, so with that I'll conclude the introduction and let us start with the subject per se.